How to make wavy text in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a wavy text in Canva. So first of all, just open your Canva and select any of the template. For this particular video, I've chosen this thumbnail that I'm gonna show you how you can create a wavy text on. So let's suppose I want to add a wavy text on this particular text right here. So just select the text and click on effects from the menu bar, and after that just scroll down, and here you will see under the shape these two effects. Just click on curve, and there your text has curved and it has become wavy. So if you want to do it upside down, just right click on this one and click on duplicate, place it right here, and just go to this bar and just reverse it backward like this, and as you can see that we have another wavy text right here. So this is basically how you can make wavy text in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.